In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex in Metatrader 5. We'll walk through setting up a Forex chart, selecting a currency pair, adjusting the view so it's easy to read, and adding a moving average for basic trend analysis. I'll also show you how to layer simple drawing tools like a trend line and a horizontal line to mark key areas. Follow along step by step, and by the end you'll have a clean, usable chart layout you can rely on. Start by opening the Metatrader 5 application. Once you're in, make sure your workspace is visible on the left side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives and where you'll create and manage charts. If you're brand new to the platform, consider practicing on a demo account before using real funds. The process is identical, but it gives you room to learn comfortably. Next, click Create New Chart on the left. This opens the catalog of markets you can chart. Metatrader 5 organizes instruments by category so you can find what you need quickly. Since we're focusing on currencies, we'll keep our attention on the Forex section. Hover over Forex to reveal the available currency pairs. You'll see popular majors and minors listed such as EUR/USD, GBP/USD, and similar combinations. Each pair represents the price of one currency relative to another. For example, when you look at EUR/USD, you're seeing how many US dollars equal 1 euro. Choose the pair you want to analyze. If you're just starting out, a highly liquid pair like EUR/USD is often easier to learn on because spreads are usually tighter and price action is cleaner. After you click your chosen pair, the chart will open instantly. You can change the size of this chart window to fit your workflow, drag the edges to expand it, or arrange it alongside other charts if you're monitoring multiple markets. Zooming in helps you focus on recent candles, while zooming out gives you a broader view of the trend and key levels. Take a moment to position the chart so price action is clear and you have enough space to see swing highs, swing lows, and recent momentum. You can also move the chart around the workspace if you need to reorganize your layout. Keeping your primary chart centered and uncluttered makes decision-making faster, especially during volatile sessions. If the grid lines feel distracting, you can toggle them off later, but for now, clarity is the goal. On the left side panel, click Indicators. Indicators add calculated overlays or separate panels to help interpret price movement. For this example, we'll keep it simple and add just one indicator so the chart remains readable. From the indicator list, go to the Trend category. These tools are designed to help you understand direction and momentum. Inside Trend, select Moving Average. The moving average smooths price data, helping you see the underlying trend instead of getting caught up in every small fluctuation. When the line slopes upward and price holds above it, that suggests bullish conditions. When it slopes downward and price stays below, that suggests bearish conditions. When the settings window appears, pick values that match your style. A shorter period reacts faster to price but can be choppier, while a longer period is steadier and better for identifying broader direction. Choose a color and line thickness that stands out clearly against your candles. Once you confirm, the moving average will appear on your chart. You can also add a trend line and a horizontal line to structure your analysis. A trend line connects rising swing lows in an uptrend or falling swing highs in a downtrend, giving you a visual guide for potential support or resistance along the trend. A horizontal line marks a fixed price level, which is perfect for identifying support, resistance, or key reaction zones such as previous highs, lows, or round numbers. Place these lines thoughtfully so they highlight levels you actually care about rather than crowding the chart. At this point, you've created a new Forex chart, selected a currency pair, resized and arranged your workspace, added a moving average for context, and layered in simple lines to mark structure. Keep refining your chart so it's easy to read at a glance. Clear visuals lead to clearer decisions. Practice this setup until it feels natural, and you'll be ready to build on it with more advanced techniques when you're comfortable.